All makes water pumps fit GM vehicles as well as a wide range of non-GM vehicles. Thoroughly tested for reliable, leak-free performance. Coated seals support seal longevity and durability. Heat-treated shaft assemblies provide superior strength and durability over non-treated assemblies. High-quality bearings are permanently sealed and lubricated for greater durability and long life. Fit type. Vehicle-specific. An ACDelco Professional, premium aftermarket engine water pump circulates coolant through your vehicle's radiator and engine system to help maintain proper engine temperature and performance. The gaskets, seals, and O-rings packaged with this professional, premium aftermarket water pump help guarantee that all necessary parts are available for trouble-free installation. ACDelco Professional Water Pumps are a high-quality replacement for many vehicles on the road today. This premium aftermarket replacement engine water pump is manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. The items always arrive on time. The mechanic took so long to work on my car, now it is the wrong size and the return window closed on October 2nd.